Hi guys, Lorie Brodie here from Brodie Homes, and I just want to answer a question for you that I get from my listing clients today, and that is, what do I do with my dogs when there are showings and they don't have access to take the dogs out of the home? So there's actually a couple things that you can do, but I want to show you what I did for this particular client who had two small dogs who are actually really friendly, and they had a great laundry room that they keep the dogs in primarily when they're not home, that the dogs have access to the backyard and so forth. And I actually made this little sign here, so I'm going to show this to you. So it just said two small dogs inside laundry room, and this allows the buyers that are coming through the home to know that there are dogs there, and if they don't, if they have dog allergies or they just don't appreciate the dogs as much as you do, they don't actually have to go inside. And what I've also done is include a photo of the laundry room, so if they don't want to open the door and to meet the dogs, they actually know what's inside the room via photo. So there are solutions to, what do we do with your pets? And if you have other questions like that, feel free to leave me a comment below and I'd be happy to answer them. Have a wonderful day until next time.